Good morning, dear friends. Today, the topic of our discussion is cell wall. We are going to discuss the definition, function, structure, and chemical composition of the cell wall. So, first of all, we are going to see its definition. A non-living and strong component of the cell located outside the plasma membrane is called cell wall. A non-living means cell wall is dead. And strong component, सेल वॉल जो है वो हमारे पास सेल का काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंपोनेंट है. इस वजह से जो प्लांट सेल्स, क्योंकि सेल वॉल जो है वो प्लांट सेल्स में पाई जाती है, इस वजह से प्लांट सेल जो है वो कभी बर्स्ट नहीं करता जब भी उसको हाइपोटोनिक सॉल्यूशन में डाला जाता है. वो कभी बर्स्ट नहीं करता, टर्जिड हो जाता है. क्या रीज़न है? बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल वॉल. नाउ located outside the plasma membrane is called cell wall. Now we are going to see its occurrence. It is found in plants, fungi, and prokaryotes. Located outside the plasma membrane. If this is the plasma membrane, then cell wall is present in this way outside the plasma membrane. So now we are going to see the functions of the cell membrane. It provides shape, strength, support, and protection to the protoplasm, which is the living content of the cell. Protoplasm consists of two things, that is the cytoplasm plus the nucleoplasm. This is additional information. So these are the functions of the cell wall, which is found in the plants, fungi, and prokaryotes. Now we are going to discuss the structure of the cell wall. Basically, the plant cell wall has two layers. That is the outer and the inner. The outer layer, which is called the outer layer of the plant cell, is called the primary cell wall or the primary wall, or the inner layer of the plant cell wall is called secondary wall. Secondary wall is found in the examples is the xylem cells. So the adjacent cells, I am going to show that adjacent cells means which are placed side by side, their cell walls have a pore. Through which the cytoplasm of the two cells is transported in between them. And these pores, which are present in the cell walls of the adjacent cells, they are called as plasmodesmata. These are called as plasmodesmata. Now we are going to discuss the chemical composition of the cell wall. Chemical composition. As we have discussed that plant cells, they have a primary cell wall and a secondary cell wall. The primary cell wall has a major constituent, cellulose, whereas lignin is present in the secondary cell walls of the plant cells. Now we are going to discuss about the cell wall of the fungi. In the cell wall of the fungi, chitin is present, and in the cell walls of the prokaryotes, they are composed of peptidoglycan. Now what is peptidoglycan? It is a complex of peptido amino acids and glycan, that is the sugars or the carbohydrates. So plant cells, they have two walls, primary cell wall and the secondary cell wall. Primary cell wall is composed of cellulose, secondary cell wall is composed of lignin. Fungi, they have the cell wall which is composed of chitin, and prokaryotes, they have a cell wall which is made up of peptidoglycan, which is a complex of amino acids and sugars. So this is all about the cell wall. Hope you have understood well. Give your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching.